If we are looking at the long run, we're trying to establish a long run average cost curve. Now, in the short run, we're fixed in some sort of input. So we're probably going to be fixed with our capital. So if we want a different size plant or factory size, we can have all sorts of different average total cost curves. Each plant size or firm size represents a different ATC, or an average total cost curve. So in the long run, we can pick whichever one is the appropriate for the size plant or firm that we want. But in the short run, we can't because something is fixed. So if we're in the short run, let's say this is ATC 2, that would be plant size 2. This is plant size 1, plant size 3, etc. Now, in the long run, we can pick whichever plant size that we want, and we would want to find the lowest possible cost for that amount of output. So we're looking at output on the x-axis. So let's say we want an output of 13. Okay, if we want an output of 13, we could use plant size 2 because that has that output there. We could use plant size 1 because that has that output level there. We could even use plant size 4 because that has that output there. However, we don't really want to choose output firm size 1 because the cost would be higher per unit. If we chose plant size 4, the cost would be higher, so we don't want to do that. So if we wanted to have an output of 13, we would want to use plant size ATC2, or plant size for firm 2. So we could do that for all of them. So what we're doing is we're saying, okay, if we're producing 20 units, okay, I could do that with firm size 3, I could do that with firm size 4, I could do it with firm size 2. But the one we would want to choose in the long run would be firm size 3. So we want to pick whichever firm size, firm plant, whichever way you want to say that, is going to provide the lowest possible cost.